Thokozani, Imokozini, Thokozani Boko, Thokozani Momkulu, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. So, to me, to me, everyone, especially kithi as South Africans, because this thing vele ibhekiswe kithi as South Africans. Kunendo letako bogogo nabomkhulu. Kunendo letako and lendo lena yibi kakhulu. So I usually take my time, but i-message ngiyayifikisa ne. Ngidelayile, but I'm here to deliver the message. So okay, let me just tell you ukuthi kwendakaleni ne. I had this dream. This dream kwendakalani. Okay, this dream I was told to look on the sky. So while I was looking on the sky, suddenly this thick air, it's not only thick but it's black as well. It was just forming. You know when clouds are forming, right? They were forming like that, like out of nowhere. This air was forming, and while I was looking, now it's like I was on top, right, looking down. So while I was looking down, people were inhaling this air and getting very, very sick. Getting very, 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 very sick. They were coughing. That was the first thing that I saw. It's like this air was choking them, right? They were coughing. Like you can see that they were just getting very, very sick, dizzy. Like, yo guys, angathi kuthi ngayibeka kanjani, because this air yabona moya lo umnyama, I don't wanna lie, awukho mhlophe, ayi ukuthi awubonakali, but this one you can see the air. But I was the only one that could see the air. People could not see the air, you understand? So bona, they were just inhaling this air and getting very, very sick. So what I was saying is that lo moya lona umnyama and thick. You know when you burn some, you know when they burn maybe hlati, and then that black thick air. But this one was not. This one was very, very, very dark and thick. So nangisabukile bantu baya inhale lo moya lona and bayagula. People are dying. People are coughing. And while I was trying to warn them, I woke up. Ngavuka ne. So there were also things that I was told while I was saying this, while I was dreaming, all right, while I was seeing everything in my dreams. You know when you're saying something and it's not like you are dreaming, but this thing is happening. You understand? This thing is happening. So my dream was like that. Guys, it's in something ne. We are under attack as a South Africa. We are under attack. Why? Let me just put it short. We are the diamond. We are the gold. We are the cherry on top. So if you don't know, you don't know. You understand? This thing of you feeling ukuthi yatini lobungoma lobu kumbe lobunyanga lobabukho, this thing of you feeling ukuthi lo Jesu lo akekho, you're done. You're done. You removed your beads, you've removed everything, you're just uhlangahlanganile impilo yakho ayihambi kahle. It has already started. Even this sickness has already started. And bafuna thini as South Africa, bafuna thini ma South Africans. And this thing ne ethi ngintshele something lokunye kwakhona sidiyendile as South Africans. I also blame us. And another thing is that in a way my plan abo they have succeeded. Why do I say so? Because lendo le bayiqala yokuthi nifanele basidivide, I can say finally they have succeeded because we are divided as South Africans. We are fighting each other. And another thing is that thing yokuthi nihambe nemaveni niyothwala, nithi nithwalisa simo, hayi nisibulele. Nangithi nisibulela, I'm just counting in South Africa but not me, cause letinto lenihambe nayo tilanza ngaphandle nabuya nayo tifuya etindlini tenu kumbe nabuya nahamba notibeka emandini. You're also going to pay for that. You're also going to pay for that. I'm laughing because I'm so angry. You're going to pay for that. If you know, you know. You're going to pay for that. You're going to pay for that. Le doti le nonsense leniyendile nahamba nothwala nalanza inonsense ngaphandle natoyifaka la eSouth Africa. Nahamba natoyifaka la eSouth Africa, nahamba noyifaka emandini. Bakwatile hayi kancane. Bakwatile hayi kancane because the way, okay, nkulunkulu wami, kubi in such a way yokuthi ngibone mandi ne lamandi lawa, they were just rising out of nowhere. Have you been to the river and then when you get there maybe uyisa someone ne while you are praying, right? Nganofanele ubite labantu labasala batoenda msebenzi wabo, because when you don't have any power, right? Ngofanele baphilise loyo muntu, fanele babite basonzele basebenze. And then the water start rising out of nowhere. Now it's vele, you have the calling. I'm sure you have seen that happening. Ngoba usuke sekakhona, right? Usuke sekafuna kuyena msebenzi wakhe. So okay, fine. Lamandi bewaphakama out of nowhere. Aphakama, and then I saw yabona that thingy, this thing. Can you see this? This thing that happens at it's what the Bermuda Triangle, Bermuda or whatever it is. Good. Nakuvuleka good. I saw cars, people inside cars getting inside. People were dragged inside. And I was just standing there asking myself, what can I do to help these people? Because first of all, I can't swim. So in that dream, I'm asking myself, oh God, like, why are you showing me this? Because first of all, I can't swim and I can't go there. And then it's Kati, I'm not even far from the water. You know when everything is happening, but when you are on the ground, and this is just happening like maybe 2 steps from your feet, like 2 step, and when you're just standing there, like ubukela al-film leli buhlungu, because mina lapha ephupheni I'm like yabona lokhu mina I can't swim. I can't swim. Kubuhlungu, guys. Why? I'm laughing because I'm angry. I'm angry at the things that you as South Africans have done. Niyobhadala, guys. Niyobhadala ngendlala ningabhadali. Niyobhadala, but what I hate is that seniyobulalisa nebantu laba innocent. Seniyobhadalisa nebantu labangakawonanga because of idoti leniyendile. Seniyobulalisa nebantu labangaka lanzanga idoti ngaphandle. Kumbe besides kulanza idoti ngaphandle nihambe naya la niya khona. Even here in South Africa nalanza idoti, nakhandela idoti, kwavuswa idoti. Uthweni uthole emcebo. Kuthweni uthola umcebo. Wahamba woyenda idoti wayendi nonsense. And then this thing naso ilanzile fine. Lenye uyibekile endlini lenye bakutshela ukuthi ifanele boyibeke emfuleni. Hamba uhlala uyilanze emfuleni. Oh jeez. Ensatobhadala yong. Nsatobhadala. You're going to pay and it's going to be very, very painful. It's going to be very, very painful. But lendo leni yendawo ne. Not only is it going to affect South Africa, but seyivusele tinye tinto lokuthi nine in a way nifuna kusibhubhisa kahle kahle, nifuna kusibhubhisa isikhathi singakafikanga. I can put it like that. I can nifuna kusibhubhisa kahle kahle. Nifuna kusibhubhisa isikhathi singakafikanga, nifuna kusibulala isikhathi singakafikanga kahle kahle sethu sokuthi sife. Because labani kati bakwatile hayi kancane. And you unknowingly you were helping labantu laba bafuna vele ukuthi kube njalo. Labantu labafuna kwendani kubusa eSouth Africa, labantu labafuna kwendani kus eraser from history. Kus uproota vele kususa. Kungabi na any trace of us. So nienda idoti leningayi understand ukuthi how deep does it go? How deep? Because it's very, very deep. When you'll think it's just you, but kunema masterminds behind the decisions that you have taken. Yebo kunjalo. Ngicabanga thina ninda tindo and selfishness, thinking ukuthi these things kuyosebenzela nini. You just have to do this, do that. Phelela lapho. No, akupheleli lapho. Because for the fact that ukuthi fanele nidle bantu, fanele nidle tingadi tebantu, fanele nibulale bantu, you're going to pay for that. You think ukuthi you're doing this in darkness, but you're not. You're not, because kumhlophe pa kuyabonakala. We know. We've been watching. We know. So lenyaka leni yendile, you're going to pay. But my heart is breaking because so many innocent people have to pay ngenxa yenu bosatan. So many innocent people. So many innocent people have to pay because of you people. You nonsense. Kubhlungu. Kubhlungu. Kubhlungu, but ngiyobhadala, and it has already started. Nina nanicabanga ukuthi whatever agenda that you have is only gonna be you people that are going to win. No. No. It does not work like that. Nani ngiyobhadala. You have started a war and you are going to get a war. You have started it. You've started a war and you are going to get a war. I wanted to say something but ngiyatibamba. Abase bafuna ukungikhulumisa letinye tinto ke nyalo. Asati guys, asati. Ngicabanga ngathi kubusa nini. Hamba nolanza dot lengaphandle, busy nibulala abantu, busy ngigcolisela fanele siphile khona. Ngigcolisela abantu fanele baphile khona bathole kuphila. Indoda yenu lapha emandini busy timinta abantu. Nsatobhadala guys, nsatobhadala, because even the people that you think they have your bags, like they've got you, but let me tell you something, they don't even count you in their plans, and they're also coming for you too. You understand? When insurance, if you didn't know. So in order for them to leave, you must die. And when you think, we are on the same WhatsApp group, you're not. Uslima, ustititi. Slima. You nonsense. For the fact yokuthi uwende bulima, ukuthi ufuna imali, you have killed innocent people. La fanele bathole kuphila khona, wahamba wafika wangcolisa futhi. Satobhadala one by one, ngiyantshela satobhadala one by one. Satonqicula. Bayeta. They are coming. Yo. Bayeta banigadi. Yo. Bayeta banigadi. Thokozani makhosi.